Hi, in this video today I want to show you how you can clean the piercing nozzle on your Bosch Tassimo Happy. You might want to do this if not enough coffee is coming out because there might be a blockage there, or it might be leaking out of the top. So we want to open it up and we're going to take this grey thing out. To take this grey thing out, we're going to be lifting it up here and taking it out like so. And this is the piercing nozzle just here. To remove it, we want to push on it from underneath. So I'm just going to steady it, stop it flying out. I'm going to push up from underneath and you can see it pops up like so. We're going to bring this over to the sink and we're going to give this a nice good clean. You can see how filthy it is. If this is blocked in here, you're not going to get enough coffee coming through and you might get a leak as well. Also, while you're here, it would be good to get a damp cloth or a Q-tip and give everything a nice good clean. You can see around here that it's all dirty. And as well as that, have a look at this bit here, this little rubber seal. That all needs to be nice and clean. So give that all a nice clean all around here, because this is where it sits. And if this is all blocked up with coffee like it is here, then it might not be sitting very nice. Right, so let's bring the nozzle over to the sink. Right, so this is it here, and we want to make sure that this is clear and this is clear. This is only a very short bit here, so that's not going to take long to clear out if it was blocked. But this one here is quite long. So make sure water's flying through both of them and get yourself your little cotton swab or Q-tip and you can push it right the way through there to make sure it comes out the bottom. So by the ends, you want to be able to see through here and see through here as well. Right, we're going to place this back in the machine now because I can see that both holes are completely clear. So once you're happy that all this area is clear, you're just going to place this on here like so. This flat bit goes against a barcode reader and you're just going to click it down. And that is it. That is now in place. While you're here, you can give the barcode reader a nice clean as well. And then you're going to place this in. If you place it in up high like so, and then let it drop into place like that. And that is it. Hopefully now you'll find that you won't have any blockage of coffee and there'll be no spillage coming out the top here. Thanks for watching.